Hello, good people. Welcome to another day of our Python challenge, day 23, people. So let's get started. Today our challenge is to write a function named list or XOR, and then this is it. And then this list will take in 3 parameters. Now our function is going to check if n is exclusively in list 1 or list 2, meaning it must be in only one of the lists and must appear only once, otherwise it should return false. But if n, which is the first parameter that is passed in, is in one of the lists and appears only once, then our function should return true. If not, it should return false, meaning if x is in the bold list, it should return false. If x is not in any of the list, it should return false. So let's get to work. I'll explain how I'm going about this, all the step through. So the way I think about doing this is sets for a reason. Let's first define our function list XOR. Then it takes in 3 parameters, that's n, list 1, and it takes in list 2. Now how I think of doing this is it's just going to be one line really. We're going to use an operator that sets has in Python. Sets are just like lists. If you want more explanation, you can chat me up or you drop it in the comment section below and I'll explain everything totally. You could call me also and I'll explain it thoroughly to you. So this is what we're doing. We're going to check. Let me just write it out so that I explain when you're seeing it. Now we're going to check, we'll convert the 2 lists into sets and check for n in them, and then we're going to use this symbol here called symmetric difference. This is going to do exactly what we're asked to do here. Check if x is in the 2 lists, how many times they appear, those kind of things. So if x is in the 2 lists, then it simply return true. If not, it will return false. If x is not in any of the lists, again it will return false. So let's just finish out this. Then we also check it in list 2. We know from this right here is just converting the list into a set. You know, these 2 are going to be passed in as a list, and this is going to be passed in as an integer. So we're checking if this is in this, and we're also checking if this is in this set here, and then we're comparing the 2 to see if x is in the 2 of them. This concept is fairly advanced. Let's just call it some intermediate concept, so it's okay if you have questions, you can ask me. Yep, just as I thought, this is correct. But coming to think about it again, I think there's an easier way around this problem. Instead of having to use sets, we can just simply compare the 2 lists. What was I thinking? So we can simply check if n in list 1, and I'd like to do this just to be sure, and I'll say if it's not equal to n in list 2. I think this should also do it. If these 2 are not equal, that means true. If they're equal, it means false. Yes, again, congratulations people, and we've gotten our solutions completed. Please tell me which of the solutions you prefer more. The first one we used, that was absolutely painful and intricate. I wonder why I didn't think about this simple solution off the bat, but well, here we are. I think maybe it's because I used that just yesterday. I used symmetric difference in some code I was writing yesterday, so I think that's why I came to my mind first. But this is a much easier way around it. Try the 2 methods for yourself, see if you like it, comment which is your favorite, and if you have any questions, please don't fail to ask me. Again, one more thing, remember to like, subscribe and share this with your friends and your coding buddies. Let's all be here, let's all enjoy this together, and remember to ring the notification bell icon as well. See you tomorrow in the next challenge. Bye for now.